Are you looking for a way to automatically sync from Google Contacts to HubSpot? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for all new or updated contacts in Google Contacts and then automatically sync them over to HubSpot. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Google Contacts account. Next, set up the connection with your HubSpot account. After you click Next and Install Now, this bot will be up and running. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings, although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by both adding and updating different contacts in Google Contacts. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps, you can see the bot history for each bot. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs from Google Contacts to HubSpot. As you can see here, the new and updated contacts from Google Contacts successfully synced over to HubSpot. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.